I'll be showing you the top AI store builder apps on the Shopify App Store. The first app we're going to take a look at is called Atlas. It's an AI store builder that lets you build a custom dropshipping store with AI in just a few minutes. It includes 30 plus theme sections to choose from, and you can even import the products already on your Shopify account. If we take a look at their website here, I just wanted to show you what a demo looks like. Is you basically just give them a prompt and it's going to start building your store from there. And from there you can go and customize it to your liking, but it's going to really speed up that development process. We can see an example here, and it's going to give it a very clean and professional look. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $29 a month, and it's going to up in price if you also want AI-generated product photos, as well as the bundler discounts and upsells, and it's going to depend on the number of product pages and AI custom stores. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.5 stars with 61 5-star reviews. If we take a look at this latest review here, this merchant recently tried out the store builder, and overall they were very impressed. This merchant considers themselves not tech savvy, and they're looking for an easy way to set up a professional looking e-commerce store. This app delivered on that front. Next up, we have Plus Sales AI Website Builder. So you can transform your store with AI and expert guidance. And you can rebuild your entire store in just one click, and it's going to instantly reconstruct your site structure, design, and styling with their AI website rebuilder. It's also going to effortlessly update your content with AI using their website rewriter and product rewriter to enhance readability and boost conversions. There's also AI bulk mode, so you can do this for hundreds of products or pages in just seconds without manual work. It also has automated SEO mastery, so you can automate alt text, page speed, and metadata SEO optimization for individual products or entire collections. And it gives you revenue optimized pricing, simplified, and you can align it with live market data or revenue goals. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 261 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant says that first off, the support team is super helpful, and in the page building itself, they never found a single thing that the support team couldn't help them fix within a few minutes. This other merchant has been using this app for years, and it's a great platform to create pages, even if you don't have a lot of website design experience. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where a sponsor profit calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's going to sync seamlessly and make it super easy for you to understand your store's performance. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with tons of different analytics and metrics, letting you make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with different ad platforms such as Meta, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, and with tons of different cost of goods sold providers like CJ Dropshipping and ShipHero. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. Leave a link in the description below too, and that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing page. You can also search for it on the Shopify App Store and look for this logo in the top left. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. Lastly, let's take a look at Zeno AI Landing Page Builder. Again, it's going to allow you to effortlessly create pages and theme sections with AI-powered drag and drop simplicity. So you just have to describe the section to generate, and it's going to go and do that for you. You can customize it with freedom from there. And they also have thank you page extensions, and it's going to be fully responsive with the components that it creates, looking great on both desktop and mobile. You can also save time with pre-built templates and live chat with their technical support. In terms of pricing, it's free to start with one landing page, one blog post, and 5 theme sections. Paid plans start at $19 and go up to $29 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 128 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary, merchants highly recommend this app for its user-friendly drag and drop interface and customizable templates that enhance website aesthetics and functionality. It supports the creation of professional looking landing pages and includes features like social media integrations, email marketing, and e-commerce tools. So this concludes the video here on the top AI store builder apps. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.